Hey everybody, we're back with hunting tools on Amazon here. Pardon my shadows. First tools we're looking at, adding to my collection of personal tools. Last several, probably 2 decades actually, I've been using my dad's Snap-on tools from way back in the 90s. Very good tools. So adding my own collection here. And not wanting to spend the bank, so I'm like many of you, I'm going on to Amazon to see what I can find. I'm not working on cars every day, so I don't need the same quality of tool to get through just simple tasks. So, first on the docket here of the series of hunting tools is this rotation brand screwdrivers, 8-piece. And I've been using them quite a bit already, and definitely like them. It is a little bit of a cheapy handle, but you've got, let's see here, got a little bit too much zoom going, but we're going to make it work. Alright, so you get the little dinky one here. This is a, what are they calling this one? That size. It's a small one. That's Phillips. Same size and your flathead. Then you've got a little bit larger at this size. You can see this one's already been used quite a bit. Phillips head there. Matching 100 in the Phillips. And I bought this set too because they did have the longer varieties. Here's more of your standard screwdriver length size. Phillips 2x100 matching. As you can see, great for paint lids. And then they also, this set also had your longer Phillips by 150 millimeter. So far it does have a nice grip to it. Got a good feel, easy to use, easy to spin. It's a little bit of a textured there. The hard plastic on the edge. You could use that squared end if you wanted to for extra support. And it seems like they have pretty decent, those are magnetic heads as well on both. So far impressed. And I believe you'd have to double check. I should include the information. I'll try to get to bear, but so far I believe these were under 20 bucks for 8 screwdrivers. I believe it was 15 or 16. So far, very impressed with this tool set.